So we have a new little friend here, and as you can see, it's a Jerry Mahoney, but look at this. His jaw has become detached, and his string, he still has his string. Very complicated repair here as far as I'm concerned. I can fix the little toy ones pretty easily. This one is beyond my scope. So I'm going to ship him off to Kevin Detweiler of Animated Puppets, and Kevin is going to work some magic here and repair this. So we'll be back once we see what Kevin does, okay? Well, look what arrived in the mail today. It came, all right? Jerry's head. Let's open this box up and find out how it looks. Okay, got the box open and hope you like the work. Of course, Kevin. There he is. Okay, let's get him out of here so he can breathe. And look at this. There's a new mechanism here. Before it was a string, just a string with a little circle, which if you own these older Jerry Mahonies, you know about. And there he is. He's set. He's got a brand new spring in his mouth, so he's never going to break again. And there's Jerry. Say hi. Hello. Hello, Dan. Hello. All right. Well, Kevin, this looks great. Good job. Thank you. Going to love it. We're going to put him on his body now. So we've got the original box, which is always nice if you can get the original box. Let's open it up, and we're going to pull out Jerry's body, and there's that famous polka dot bow tie. And there we go. And he's got the shoes. And he's looking good. Let's see if he works. Hey there. Hi there. Hi there. Hi, everybody. Feeling a lot better now. A lot better. So I want to say thank you to Kevin Detweiler. Kevin, you did a great job. And thanks very much for your good work. You were very responsive and appreciate your expertise. Highly recommend Kevin Detweiler Animated Puppets for these kinds of repairs.